Section 124106 on I-95 northbound, Palm County. Signs and delineators are almost all missing other than our fence line, which looks more like a right-of-way sign, but it is the beginning of our test section. Section has no distress. I believe it was surveyed last in 2005, Ancor. Pretty much all you have are like some gouges. If you look down the section, you can see gouges in the outside and the inside wheel paths. A little bit of discoloration in the mid lane. But other than that, the section's clean.
You were backed up back there.
See our state trooper out here taking good care of us. Just past Station 1. And 150. Just kind of cruising along here. We're picking up our closure as we speak. We got bad weather behind us. Station 2. Some real nice gouges here. Little pavement starting to slick up. More rim gouges. Looks like some segregation actually going on. 75. So that segregation is probably going to start cracking in the wheel path shortly due to the segregation. We're at Station 350.
Let us know when you're done.
Station 275, I'll have to get off the pavement because we're out of cones. Station 4. See Station 5. No delineators at the end. Section. Once again, this is 124106, I-95 northbound Palm County on November 2nd, 2006. The temperature is about 81 degrees Fahrenheit at time of survey, and this concludes our survey.